friends, welcome to Delectable Flavors. Today I'm going to share a very healthy recipe which is called an avocado toast. So what we need for that, so ingredients, you need salt, you need black pepper, you need avocado paste. You need to make a paste. You can peel the avocado and then mash it in order to make a paste. You need cucumbers, you need tomatoes, and you need few spinach leaves. And you also need balsamic vinegar. So you need to start with 2 slices of bread. So first step is we need to toast the bread slices. So now I'm going to toast bread slices in a toaster. So I'm setting my toaster to 2, but it all based on your taste. If you like it more crunchy and more toasted, you can set the level based on your taste. So I'm going to toast it, and it's going to take a few minutes to toast. So now our bread is toasted, so we are going to take it out of the toaster. Okay, so now you can see our slices are nicely toasted, and if you would like to get more toasted, please set the setting based on that. So we are going to start with the avocado paste first. So we are going to spread it out. So I'm making 2 sandwiches here. My avocado was kind of a little hard, that's why you can see a little bit of kind of pieces of avocado there as well, but if they're nice and soft, they're really mashed very well and they taste good too. So now we have it ready to go. So our paste part is done. So next we are going to top with spinach leaves. So it all depends. If you like it, you can have 4 on your sandwich. If you don't like it, you can have 1 or 2, or you can delete it if you don't like. So after this, I'm going to put some cucumbers. And sticking to it, it doesn't want to come off. Okay, so these cucumbers are nicely laid on the sandwich. So I'm done with the cucumbers. Now next I'm going to put tomatoes. So I'm going to use 2 tomatoes, and we are going to put a little leaf in order to decorate on top, just 1, and I'm just looking for the small one, so like this. And now you can sprinkle the salt based on your taste. If you like it, you can have more or less based on your taste. And then I'm going to add some grounded black pepper, and you can, I'm using a balsamic vinegar. If you like something else, you can use that. And you can just lightly have it on your toast. So it looks like this. So your avocado toast is ready to eat. I hope you like the recipe, and if you like it, please like and subscribe to our channel. And please stay tuned for the next recipe on every Thursday. Bye bye. See you then.